Hello, good evening, all of you. Are you hearing me?
Good evening, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow you have a CET paper, afternoon 2:30 to 3:30. Chapter is alcohols, phenols, and ether. I think you already prepared. Questions also NCERT level only. Maybe 1 or 2 questions exceeds from NCERT. Most of the questions given from NCERT and NCERT examplers. So all of you attempt the test. Last time also I think only 8 or 9 students only attempted. So this time everyone should attempt CET paper. So we are at preparation of amines, no? 2 are completed. Ammonolysis of alkyl halides also completed. Now see that example question. Write a chemical equation for the following reaction. Write chemical equation for the following reaction. First one, reaction of ethanolic ammonia with C2H5Cl. Reaction of ethanolic ammonia with C2H5Cl. We are reacting ammonia with C2H5Cl. From ammonia, 1 hydrogen atom, and from here chlorine atom eliminated as a HCl minus HCl and form C2H5NH2. So this is primary amine. So we know during the ammonolysis we are getting a mixture of primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary ammonium salts. So the obtained primary amine, it acts as a nucleophile. Further, this amine can attack one more molecule of ethyl chloride. So this primary amine attacking this molecule. So here also there is a loss of HCl. So now C2H5NH only, not one hydrogen is lost. C2H5NH, and then NH is linked to another C2H5 chain. So this is secondary amine. Next, one more molecule of ethyl chloride. Now it gives.
Sir, after this you can start biomolecules, sir. I have my exam is on 15th October, sir, term exam.
15th October. First exam is chemistry.
No, sir. First exam is physics, then next is chemistry, sir. 15th October.
Okay, by the time I think we can complete half of the chapter of biomolecules. Inorganic D and A block is there in exam?
No, sir.
Coordination compounds?
They started they finished the chapter, but it's not there, sir. Coordination compounds is there, sir. I have doubt in the nomenclature of that, sir.
Okay. See next, tertiary amine is formed. because the remaining one hydrogen atom also replaced by C2H5. So it gives C2H5 directly right thrice N. This is the tertiary amine. And lastly, it attacked by one more molecule of C2H5. Cl, it gives quaternary ammonium salt. C2H5 4N plus Cl minus. Quaternary ammonium salt. Then second one is ammonolysis of benzyl chloride. Ammonolysis of benzyl chloride and a reaction of amine. Reaction of amine. So formed with 2 moles of CH3Cl. 2 moles of CH3Cl. Here ammonolysis of benzyl chloride. Instead of ethyl chloride, we are taking benzyl chloride. This is benzyl chloride. Now chlorine and here one hydrogen lost and NH2 group is attached. It gives CH2, here NH2. During the process, loss of HCl. This is ammonolysis. And further, the obtained amine is treated with 2 moles of CH3Cl. Only 2 molecules, 2 moles of CH3Cl. So here nitrogen attached to 2 hydrogen. The 2 hydrogens are replaced by 2 methyl groups. CH2N, 2 hydrogens replaced by 2 methyls, CH3, CH3. And byproduct is 2 moles of HCl. So product name is NN dimethyl phenylmethanamine. NN dimethyl phenylmethanamine. Next reaction, reduction of nitriles. Third method to prepare preparation of primary amines. Reduction of nitriles. So this only we are calling Mendes reaction. So here nitriles we are calling cyanides. Those are reduced to primary amines by using the reducing reagents like lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis or even catalytic reduction or with the help of amalgamated sodium. In ethanol. So we can use any reducing reagent for the reduction of nitriles to primary amines. So that's called Mendes reaction. See first right statement. Nitriles on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or catalytic hydrogenation produce primary amines. Produce primary amines. So side write this one. Reducing agents. So alkyl nitriles are cyanides doing catalytic reduction. Or we can use amalgamated sodium in C2H5OH. This converts to primary amine, or this carbon changes to CH2 and this is changes to NH2. So C2H5, CH2, C triple bond N. Presence of lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis. Same, this is changes to CH2 NH2. C2H5, CH2, CH2 and NH2. Next reaction, reduction of amides. The amide on reduction with the lithium aluminum hydride yields amines. The amides on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride yield amines. This is amide. Lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis. So this group, C double bond group changes to CH2. So R bond CH2 NH2. This is amine. Example, C2H5 C double bond O NH2. This is propanamide. This changes to CH2. C2H5, CH2 and NH2. So amine which having 3 carbons, so it is propan 1 amine. Next reaction, very important. Gabriel Thalmide synthesis. So here 3 named reactions are there. One is Mendes reaction, then Gabriel Thalmide, Hoffman bromide degradation. So in PUC or in CBSE, every year 2 to 3 marks are asking from these 3 named reactions. So any one reaction conformly comes. Gabriel Thalmide. Okay, see about this. This Gabriel phthalimide synthesis only useful to prepare primary amines, that aliphatic primary amines. This method is only useful for preparation of aliphatic primary amines. So aromatic primary amines impossible to prepare by this method. Not possible. So reason you can understand through the chemical reaction. First the chemical reaction, how it takes place.
So can you give once again tell what's aliphatic, sir? I actually forgot.
So suppose if NH2 is directly linked to benzene rings, or if benzene or naphthalene, whatever aromatic ring, if it links, that's where comes under aromatic amines. Even alcohol group also, if directly linked to benzene ring, we are calling those are aromatic substances. If same NH2 group is linked to normal carbon chains like this, or even cyclic ring, but that is not aromatic. It's not aromatic. So this all comes under aliphatic primary amines. In 11th standard, you study know which are aromatic, which are non-aromatic. If molecule having aromatic nature like benzene, if that is directly attached to any functional group, we are calling those are aromatic compounds. So otherwise, that is aliphatic only. First, the chemical reaction. Phthalimide is phthalimide. So phthalimide first treated with ethanolic potassium hydroxide. Ethanolic KOH. So this hydrogen atom is replaced by potassium atom now. So it gives potassium phthalimide. So N minus K plus. Now it is treated with alkyl halide. See here only you can get idea why it is not possible to prepare aromatic amines. So alkyl halides easily undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions. Already you studied in the first chapter, alkyl halides and aryl halide chapter. Alkyl halides are easily undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions. Suppose here halogen, suppose chlorine is there, OH group. It can attack easily this carbon atom through SN1 or SN2. Chlorine is leaving and it gives R bond CH2 OH. So these are aliphatic alkyl halides, simply alkyl halides. Easily undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. Suppose if it is aromatic, or we are calling aryl halide. Here is the nucleophile. So nucleophile is trying to remove halogen and to occupy this position, but it is not easy. Reason is halogen having lone pair of electrons, either chlorine, fluorine, whatever you take, it having 3 lone pairs. That lone pair is involving in resonance. So here we are observing double bond character in case of aryl halides. Here double bond character we are observing. So that's not easy to break 2 bonds and occupying OH nucleophile instead of chlorine is not an easy process. Same we are observing here also. This nitrogen is attacking alkyl group and easily can replace halogen. So instead of potassium, R group is attached here. But if you take instead of alkyl group aryl ring, it's not easy because aryl halides.
Should we write this reaction?
Yeah, you have to write very important. First, listen why it is not possible to prepare aromatic amines. Reason is aryl halides are not involved in nucleophilic substitution reactions. That is only the main reason. That's what not possible to prepare aromatic primary amines. Okay. now it gives instead of potassium R is attached. This is N-alkyl phthalimide. Now N-alkyl phthalimide is treated with aqueous sodium hydroxide. It gives products. ONA. These are C double bond ONA, C double bond ONA, and this is changes to RNH2. This primary amine. Okay, now note down statement. This method used for the preparation of aliphatic primary amines. Phthalimide on treatment with ethanolic potassium hydroxide. On treatment with ethanolic potassium hydroxide. Forms potassium salt of phthalimide. Potassium salt of phthalimide. Which on Heating with alkyl halide. Which one? Heating with alkyl halide. Followed by alkaline hydrolysis. Followed by alkaline hydrolysis produces the corresponding primary amines. Aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by this method. Because aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution. Not undergo nucleophilic substitution with the anion formed by phthalimide. The next method, Hoffman bromide degradation. This method also using for preparation of primary amines, but in this method we can prepare both aliphatic primary amines and aromatic primary amines. First, note down statement. Hoffman developed a method for preparation of primary amines by treating an amide with bromine in aqueous or ethanolic solution. Bromine in aqueous or ethanolic solution of sodium hydroxide. So in this degradation reaction, migration of an alkyl or aryl group takes place from carbonyl carbon of the amide to the nitrogen atom. So the amide so formed contains, so the amine so formed contains one carbon atom less than that present in the amide. So it's a very simple reaction. Amide reacting with bromine and NaOH solution. In aqueous or ethanolic NaOH solution we are taking. So here amine is obtained. Just this alkyl group, instead of C double bond, completely C double bond group is removed. R is linked to NH2. So actually here migration takes place. This alkyl or aryl group shifting from carbonyl carbon to the nitrogen. So for easy understand, just note down that, but very easy to write the chemical reaction. Remove the C double bond one, write R bond NH2. And byproducts are sodium carbonate, sodium bromide, and 2H2. Examples: taking benjamide, reacting with bromine and sodium hydroxide. Product is, so instead of C double bond O, we are directly linking NH2 to benzene. So it gives aniline. Aniline is amine, primary amine, but aromatic primary amine. Same byproducts are same. Na2CO3, sodium bromide, water. Okay.
1 second, 1 minute, sir. Don't do this, sir.
So here Mendes reaction is used to increase the number of carbon atoms. Compared to the product, reactant, in product there are more number of carbon atoms during the Mendes reaction. But Hoffman bromide degradation reaction is, it decreases the number of carbon atoms in the given product.
Please don't erase last 2 lines, sir, with
This
the
one.
examples. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, right then. This one, reaction not over.
No, sir.
Sir, in,
Right, pause quickly.
sir,
Tell
in
me, Banu.
Mendes reaction,
Huh.
same number of carbon atoms are there. Sir.
Yeah, but reactant is not giving directly cyanides. They are giving different alkyl halides or some different are giving. That's what we are using Mendes reaction to increase the number of carbon atoms. Actually, in Mendes reaction, chemical reaction, I gave directly cyanides, right?
Yes, sir.
But actually, during the conversions, they are giving different reactants. So we have to increase the number of carbon atom to get a required product. In such cases, we are preferring Mendes reaction. Means reactant also we have to prepare. In the Mendes reaction, cyanide is there, the reactant also we have to prepare from the given species. So you can see in conversions now. Kushi completed.
So only the reactions left at 1 minute. Done, sir.
Write chemical equation for the following conversions.
Sir,
Hmm.
can you please let Sainika in? Because she got disconnected, sir. And sir has enabled the waiting room now, sir. So
Sainika, yes, she's in class now.
Yes, sir, I got disconnected a while ago. Now you let.
Okay.
sir, can you ask sir to disable this, sir? Because people are continuously getting disconnected, sir. And but you can, without the waiting room also, you can remove people, sir. Because last time some stranger joined, that's why sir enabled it, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, I will inform to sir. So ethyl chloride to propanamine. So we have to prepare this from this reactant. See now, here having only 2 carbons, their product having 3 carbons with amine group. Which method we have to follow now? Frame up the reaction. We have to prefer Mendel's reaction now to increase the number of carbon atom and along with to prepare amine group. CH3 CH2Cl first reacting with ethanolic sodium cyanide. Treated with ethanolic sodium cyanide. So NaCl is byproduct minus NaCl and cyanide group is attached here. CH3, CH2 and Cn group. Now reduction with the lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis, or you can use any other reducing reagent. So Cn group is changes to CH2NH2. Second one is benzyl chloride. This is benzyl chloride. Into NH2. So 2-phenylethanamine. So here also we are proceeding same method. Benzyl chloride reacting with ethanolic sodium cyanide. So NaCl is lost. Sorry, sodium cyanide minus NaCl cyanide, benzyl cyanide. Further reduction. Same, we can use same reducing reagent, lithium aluminum hydride. Followed by hydrolysis, it gives pH CH2, CH2, NH2.
Sir, can we use KCN also, sir?
You can use KCN also, NaCN or KCN. Okay, then next conversions. How will you convert? How will you convert benzene into aniline? First one. Benzene into aniline. Think how to get this. Benzene into aniline. There's actually 2 steps involved in this conversion. Try. Banu,
Sir,
then how to convert benzene into aniline?
Sir, first convert benzene to benzamide, sir.
Benzene to,
Benzamide.
that is only we have to do. That is the direct step. Now you are saying benzene to benzamine only.
No, sir. Amide.
Benzene into amide. Benzamide.
Yes, sir.
Benzene into benzamide, how? It's not easy. Benzene to benzamide.
Sir, electrophilic substitution.
Of electrophilic substitution of
Amide.
amide. Amide direct substitution. No, we can't. We can't do that. Harsh,
Sir,
have you any idea?
sir, can you convert benzene into chlorobenzene and chemical?
Benzene into chlorobenzene, and instead of chlorine, again amine substitution, right?
Yes.
No, not possible. Instead of chlorine, directly amine we can't substitute. Then any other methods? Okay, I will give you clue. Tell me the reagent. Convert benzene into nitrobenzene. What is nitrobenzene formula? Nitrobenzene. Tejaswini.
Sir, NO2 and benzene ring.
Benzene ring which is attached to NO2. So how to get NO2 on benzene ring?
Nitration, sir.
Nitration. Very good. So first write here benzene structure, and then react with a mixture of HNO3 and H2SO4. You get nitrobenzene. First that is the first step. Benzene treated with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. It gives nitrobenzene. Then nitrobenzene to aniline. First method you can see that. First preparation of amine I gave, first reaction. What we have to do then? Nitrobenzene to aniline. Reagent is what? What is the reagent to get nitrobenzene to aniline?
Sir, H2 in platinum.
H2 in platinum, or Sn plus HCl, or iron plus HCl. This is a reducing reagent. Then second one is benzene into NN dimethyl aniline. Benzene into NN dimethyl aniline. So in this method, first write this full. First you have to prepare benzene into aniline. After getting aniline, we have to convert NN dimethyl aniline. First write as it is reaction here also. Do second one, benzene into NN dimethyl aniline. So here first you have to take benzene, full right reaction here also up to aniline. Then how to convert aniline into N-dimethyl aniline?
So 2 moles of methyl chloride.
Very good. 2 moles of methyl chloride. That is we are saying ammonolysis process we did now. That process. But we don't need to use ammonia here. 2 moles of methyl chloride if we use sufficient. So right as it is reaction, I'm writing only half of the reaction. Aniline is reacted with 2 moles of methyl chloride. So nitrogen of 2 hydrogens are replaced by 2 methyl groups. And byproduct is HCl. This is N-dimethyl aniline. Next conversion. One comma 4 dichloro butane into 1 comma 6 diamine. Sorry, hexane 1 comma 6 diamine. One comma 6 dichlorobutane. So 1 comma 4 CH2 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 at one position and fourth position chlorine atoms. This to hexane 1 comma 6 diamine. CH2 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 6. Yeah, first carbon and sixth carbon having amine groups. How to prepare this? Likita,
Sir,
how to prepare that compound? Just see what is the difference between reactant and product.
so that NH2 group.
NH2 group and 2 CH2s also. Here only we have 4 CH2s. In reactant, in product we have 6 CH2s. And amine group, we have to increase number of carbon atoms and amine groups. So which method is preferred? It is a Nemer reaction.
Mendes.
Very good, Mendes reaction. So first this reactant react with ethanolic KCN or NaCN. Reactant treated with ethanolic KCN. So KCl is byproduct and cyanide groups are attached instead of chlorine. CN, CN, then do reduction. Okay, next physical properties. So lower member of amines like methanamine and ethanamine. These are gases at room temperature. Methanamine and ethanamine, these are gases at room temperature with a fishy odor, like smell like fish. And next, higher amines which having the carbons 3 or more than 3. So up to 7 or 8 carbons, these are exist as a liquids. From C3 to we can write up to C7 or C8, they are liquids. And these are colorless liquids. But however, because of oxygen, they becomes a little color change happens. Actually, in pure state, they are colorless. Then higher member of amines are solids. So very lower members are gases, and from C3 to C7 we can call those are liquids, and then higher member of amines are solids at room temperature. Then next property is about solubility. Don't write, later I will give notes. Amines are lower member of amines are easily soluble in water. Because what is the reason?
Hydrogen bonding, sir.
Very good, hydrogen bonding. So lower members are easily soluble, means up to C3, C4, C5 also somewhat better. They are soluble in water. But further number of carbons increases or carbon chain length increases, their solubility decreases. Even these lower members also soluble because of hydrogen bonding. Due to forming hydrogen bond, they can soluble in water. Suppose R bond NH2. This is a water molecule. It can form hydrogen bond. Even nitrogen can form hydrogen bond with hydrogen of water molecule. This hydrogen also involves in hydrogen bonding. So due to forming hydrogen bonds, amines are soluble in water. That also lower member of amines, not higher members. And when we compare with the solubility of amine with alcohols, which are more soluble? There is one important question. It is, which are more soluble, amines or alcohols? So amines also can form hydrogen bond with water. Alcohols also able to form hydrogen bond with water. So if you take same molecule, suppose compound which contain 4 carbon atoms or 3 carbon atoms, CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. And alcohol is CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. So which is more soluble? We can say alcohols only highly soluble than amines. The reason is, in alcohols, OH bond is more polar. In alcohols, OH bond is more polar than NH bond in amines. So compared to this nitrogen hydrogen bond, OH bond is more polar. That's what, compared to alcohols, amines, alcohols are more soluble in water. Okay. Then next, boiling point. So boiling point, okay, compared to alcohols, amines having lower boiling point only, no doubt in that. But we are comparing boiling point in amines itself. I mean, primary amines, secondary amines, tertiary amines, boiling points. We are comparing primary amines, secondary amines, tertiary amines. So which amines can form more hydrogen bonds? Tell me, which amines can form more number of hydrogen bonds?
Primary, sir.
Very good. Primary amines can form more number of hydrogen bonds. The reason is these primary amine, R bond NH2. So these two hydrogens involving in hydrogen bond, and nitrogen also able to form one hydrogen bond. Overall, this molecule can give 3 hydrogen bonds. I'm telling isomers of primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. So this can form 3 hydrogen bond. In secondary amine, R bond, N bond, R, and here hydrogen. Only it having 1 hydrogen in secondary amines. And nitrogen also can involve through 1 hydrogen bond. This is also 1 hydrogen bond. Only 2 hydrogen bonds. Next, tertiary amine. Nitrogen is attached to 3 alkyl groups. Here, nitrogen not having, only lone pair is there, but there is no hydrogen to involve in hydrogen bonding. So here we can see 0. No hydrogen bond. Here 2 reasons. One is there is no hydrogen first of all, and here bigger alkyl groups are there. Because of steric hindrance, it can't donate lone pair of electron to form easily hydrogen bond. But however, there is no hydrogen, no chance to involve in hydrogen bond in that compound. So primary amines can form more number of hydrogen bond. That's what is having higher boiling point. Primary amines having highest, then secondary, least is tertiary. In case of isomeric amines, now see some list of compounds. So formula is C4H9NH2. If it is primary amine, formula is not C4H9NH2. Overall formula is C4H11N. This is the formula. Its molecular mass 73. And with same formula, if it exists as a secondary amine, C2H5 twice NH, same formula, 4 carbons, 11 hydrogens, 1 nitrogen. This is the secondary, molecular mass is same. And if it exists as a tertiary amine, C2H5N CH3 twice. Tertiary amine it is. Count number of carbon atoms. 2, here 2, 4. And hydrogens 5, here 6, yeah, 11. Same formula, molecular mass 73. And one simple hydrocarbon is given, C2H5, CH, CH3, CH3. Simple hydrocarbon, it is no functional group. Its molar mass is 72. And butanol is given, N-butanol, CH3, CH2, 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 OH. So these all are amines. This is hydrocarbon. This is alcohol.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
so Anjali got disconnected, so she's asking you to let her in.
Okay. Yeah, see now. These all are amines. This is a hydrocarbon, alcohol. See, all having comparable molecular masses only 73, 73, almost same. Now, if you check its boiling point, primary amine boiling point is 350.8. Secondary amine is 329.3. This is 310.5. Look here. Primary amine can form more hydrogen bonds, no? That's what due to intermolecular hydrogen bonds, it can form associated molecules. That's what it having higher boiling point. Then secondary amine can form only 2 hydrogen bonds. That's the maximum possibility. So it having somewhat lower boiling point. Tertiary amines cannot form hydrogen bond, having least boiling point when you compare with isomeric amines, primary, secondary, tertiary. When amines are comparing with alcohols and hydrocarbons, their boiling points, hydrocarbons having the least boiling point. Come in organic compounds, hydrocarbons having the least boiling point. Alcohols having highest, 390.3. Alcohols having higher boiling point. Then we are giving amines. Then after aldehydes, ketones comes. After aryl halides, then ethers, least is hydrocarbons. Okay. Okay, you can leave now class. Tomorrow we have test from afternoon 2:30 to 3:30. All of you attempt the test.
Okay, sir.
So question paper also easy, almost NCERT level only, not exceeding NCERT. Maybe 1 or 2 questions. Most of the NCERT questions only. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.